Hello guys, welcome back to the course. In this video, I'm going to summarize all things that we've learned in this course, and I'm also going to share a few tips and tricks on how to create better apps using AI. Firstly, I'm going to let you know that this video is actually going to be the last video in this course. So massive congratulations for completing the course. Congratulations for getting this far. I'm so proud of you, and you should be proud of yourselves too. Because there are lots of people who have the same goal as you, but they are not willing to take actions, and that's the reason why they are not getting anywhere. But when you are taking actions, you are already getting a step closer to your goal. You are already getting a step ahead from all your competitors. So once again, congratulations for taking actions. Okay, now let's get started with the first topic, prompt quality. Writing clear and detailed prompt is very crucial because AI tools rely heavily on your instructions to generate accurate results. The more specific and structured your prompt is, the closer the output will match your visions. In addition, another important thing that you need to understand is the length of the prompt. Don't make it too long, but also don't make it too short. If the prompt is too long, the AI model is going to be overwhelmed with the amount of information that you provide. But if the prompt is too short, then AI is going to make a lot of assumptions that might not be true. Okay, now let's move on to the second topic. Break tasks into small parts. Dividing large projects into smaller parts helps the AI to focus on one task at a time. This leads to more accurate results and makes debugging or improving its sections much easier. Let me give you an example. So let's say you want to build a software, and that software has 5 main features. Instead of writing a very long and comprehensive prompt explaining all features that you want to be included, it is much better and more effective to add the feature one by one, because it is going to be much easier for AI to understand, and most likely you will get better result. Okay, now let's move on to the third topic, regular testing. So testing your app frequently during development ensures that each feature works as expected and prevents small errors from piling up. Continuous testing also helps to maintain stability as new AI-generated components are added to the project. Sometimes when we are doing vibe coding, we wait until the end of the project to conduct testing. But at the time we conduct testing, we will see a lot of errors and we will get overwhelmed. So it is definitely not a good idea to wait until the end of the project. It is much better to test regularly. Every time you finish one module, every time you finish one feature, test that first and see if there is any error. Okay, now let's move on to the next slide. Thank you so much for taking the course. It's been an honor and pleasure for me to be your instructor on Udemy. I wish you all the best. I wish you all nothing but the best in whatever goals that you might have. Maybe you want to be a software engineer, or maybe you want to build and launch your own app. I wish you all the best, guys. If you have free time, please consider to leave review on my review section. It is going to help me a lot to improve the quality of my future course. Tell me what you like about the course. Tell me what you don't like about the course. I really hope to see you again in my future course, and once again, I wish you all the best. Bye.